Hi, I'm Carly Cylinder of Flower LA, and today I'm going to show you how to make a country shabby chic do-it-yourself arrangement. To make a country shabby chic arrangement, it's all about the colors. So I'm starting with a white vase. Anything white is really great, whether it be a pitcher, an old bowl lying around the house, anything ceramic or glass, you'll really get that feel. Along with the vase, it's really important to get the shabby chic colors, which are traditionally very muted colors. So a lot of white, you can add in a light blush, a light peach. Today I'm working with some grayish Dusty Miller, which is really beautiful and feathery and velvety, with the white roses, and then I have some dried pods. So this is the kind of thing, whatever you have lying around, you can kind of make it work for this. You don't have to tape the arrangement because you're going to be putting the flowers in a very casual way. So cut your flowers on an angle. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of the Dusty Miller in the corners. And then take your white roses, you can reflex them. That simply means opening them up, so bending them backwards. You take your thumb and your forefinger, you can kind of lift it back. And then to open it even further, you can just give it a little blow. There you go. So we'll cut these, and we're going to insert it on the Dusty Miller. This is going to act as your grid. Flowers look good in odd numbers, so it's important to work with odd numbers in design. Today I will use 5 white roses for this small square vase. This is about a 3-inch vase, and that should be enough. We have some blank space back here, so just add in a little bit more of your filler, like that. And then if you have some accent like a pod, eucalyptus, beargrass, anything that is very neutral in color, you can just add a little touch on the side. Here's a beautiful shabby chic arrangement. I'm Carly Cylinder, and that is how you make a really beautiful shabby chic arrangement.